Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to scan QR code on Binance. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Scanning a QR code on Binance is useful when you want to send crypto, receive payments, or pay someone quickly without copying long wallet addresses. First, open the Binance app on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner of the app. You'll see a small scan icon that looks like a QR code. Tap on that icon. After tapping the scan icon, the Binance QR scanner will open automatically. Your phone's camera will activate so you can scan a QR code. Make sure you allow camera permission if the app asks for it. Now simply point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. For example, it could be a crypto wallet address, a Binance Pay code, a payment request. Once the QR code is detected, the Binance app will automatically read the information and fill in the details. After scanning the QR code, check the details carefully. Make sure the wallet address is correct, the crypto network is correct, the amount is correct. Once everything looks good, tap confirm or send to complete the transaction. Before sending crypto using a QR code, remember these tips. Always double-check the wallet address. Make sure you are sending on the correct network. Only scan QR codes from trusted sources. Be careful to avoid scams. Taking these steps helps keep your funds safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.